Hello friends, so this is a quick demo of the Chroma's 25-liter digital air fryer oven. So this is how it looks. So just to walk you through few of the key features or things that's available on this product. So again, this is a 25-liter large capacity air fryer oven. It has a premium quality steel body with dual knob. Even these looks to be a stainless steel material. Then you have a touchscreen panel with LED functionalities. With also you have heat resistant handlebar with toughened glass here. It's a transparent glass door with cool touch handle here. The maximum temperature limit is up to 232 degrees Celsius. It has a multi function cooking options modes available, or the different presets that you can select. It also has a interior oven light which you have it over there inside. To turn on, you'll just need to click on the button for at least 3 seconds long for it to turn on, and then you can carry on. So this is quickly about key features about the product. And to talk about a bit on technical specification, it has a capacity of 25 liters. The voltage rating between 230 volts and 50 hertz. Maximum rated power input is 1800 watts, and the timer ranges between 12 hours. So any time between 12 hours you can actually select the timers for the respective product. Now I'll quickly walk you through the key things that's available on the display and control menu there. So to do that, I'll just zoom in a bit for you to show the exact display panel here. So in the display panel we have the multiple buttons. These are all the touchscreen buttons. So at least these 4 buttons you have here are touchscreen, rest all are just a display monitor. So you have power on and power off button, which is the same. Power on is a single touch and power off is a long touch, maybe at least for 3 to 4 seconds. Then you have start and stop button here. So this is the start and stop button. Then you have another button over here which is acting under 2 features there. One, you long press this for 3 seconds, which turns on the light lamp, internal lamp that's available here. It's over here. Now if you want to turn it off, you just again press it for 3 seconds long, then it turns off. However, there's other feature on the same button that works as a roti save, which probably is used for rotating or turning on the grill functionality over here. So when you add the grill rod and then allow the the grill or whatever feature you type in to work it, you'll have to click this once, which actually starts making your grill rod rotate. So that's another feature. Then you have another single touch button here, which is a fan button. So these are all working when you actually have the food cooking there, right? So this is for that. So turning on the fan and turning off the fan, so for that reason. Apart from that, there are multiple presets that you can select within the available options here itself. So some of them are toast, air fry, grill, roast, tikka, pizza, bake, cookies. Then you have dehydrating. Then you have the warm features presets available. Apart from that, the display, what you see on the left hand side here, the number here actually denotes the degree, right? It denotes the degree in Celsius, and the numbers on the right actually denotes the time display area. Okay. And apart from that, nothing major. And for selecting the functions or any of these available functions, we use the knob over here which comes under function to change. So by doing that, if I just turn on the knob, rotate the knob of function, you would see the presets changing. Right now it's in grill, it moves to roast, tikka, pizza, bake, cookies, dehydrate, warm, and then back to toast. And what you see here is the default degree or the temperature that it sets on its own, and the default time that it sets on how the manufacturer has predefined for respective task. For example, for toast they have preset this itself, and for air fry, so for air fry it thinks default for anything that you do as air fry, it considers 200 degrees Celsius as the default temperature, and 0.25 which is hours and minutes, so it's 25 minutes basically for 200 degrees Celsius used for any air fry. Same way you want to move on for grilling, it's 230 degrees Celsius and then it's 18 minutes. It goes on. Yeah, there's one thing that you'll have to notice. Only for the toast thing, the timer actually goes in minutes and seconds, and when it's any other features, it usually be in hours and minutes. And that's another key thing. To take you through those things or the components that you get within the air fryer model. So you get the main unit, which is your air fryer itself. Then you get the rosary rod. So this is the rod, right? So this is something that is used for grilling purpose. Then you have the rosary fork as well along with that itself. So to remove that, you just need to just rotate the screw type of a thing here. You just rotate, it comes off. Yeah, it just comes off. And this is the rod, this is the forks. I'll let you know how to actually use it on the model itself, unit itself, when you actually try to grill something. Mostly for non-veg purpose it's used. That's it. That's the first item. Then you have the air fryer basket and rotating basket. So this is the air fryer basket. You have the rotating basket here. This is the rotating basket. This is the air fryer basket. It's pretty big. It fits right into your air fryer unit. Then you have the crumb tray and the tray handle. This is the tray handle. This is the tray handle and this is the crumb tray. So basically, you use it this way, like to to place the things back to the oven and to remove things. So I'll let you know when I actually show it when I use the unit itself. So this is that rosary handle and the tray for handling the main tray as well. So this is the main tray, baking tray we call it. So you use it this way, just for, because this part would be really hot when actually food cooks. So to lift that, you use this to, got it. And you have one more here, this thing. So these are the set of things that you actually got within the device itself. Show you how all of these components are actually used on the when it's on the module itself. So one by one. So this is the first thing. This is actually something that you will have to place it inside. So you probably have to just zoom it, but not sure whether you can really see it or not. But I'll try positively showing it to you. So you place this here, you push it, and you put it inside the port here this way, and you let it rest. So this way it actually rests and the grill actually works. Here I change it to grill, start, this is how you start. Now actually the grill process has started. Now I've turned on the light. If I need now, you see the grill actually rotating. So this rotating would happen for 180 degree. And then you have the fan feature here, which turns on the fan. Like sometimes if you really want to, the temperature actually would be really hot outside. If in case you need the fan to turn on so that the air actually gets equally distributed, maybe that's when you can really use a fan. Turn it off when you don't need, and the grill continues, so it keeps on grilling till time you really need the grill to work on. So that's how a simple grill process works. Now I'll quickly stop that. That's how it works. Now to let you know a few more things about this, please note that this part would be really hot. There are two rods there which actually gets heated up when the air fryer actually works. So there are two rods in the bottom and there are four rods on the top. It's over the 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other thing is that the glass over here is really hot, so just be careful. The warning surface, hot surface, there's a indication there put as well, and ensure that there is enough space left besides your air fryer, so that there is proper ventilation for the hot air to at least move out, and for the machine to get cooled. So that's one thing. This is the timer. Now here the timer actually goes on and gets counted downwards, so that your time actually reaches the matter. So this is about it. Now I'll quickly show you how to remove that. Now this is how you remove and take whatever food you have here and then enjoy your food. Now, this things gets picked up, so be careful. Then you have the other thing, which is your air fryer basket. So now to use this, you actually would again need this rosary rod, where you actually remove this forks. And then get your basket, just insert the rod across. Once that is done, use the handle to place your air fryer rod there. Ensure everything's good. You can place your food inside this, so you should maybe let me show you that. So this is where you remove the food and place all your food here. For example, this is being used for french fries or any air fryer that you need, right? So that's how it works. You place it, again select the respective menu and let it cook for you, so you can enjoy the meal. So after that you have some other things. So this is again a mesh tray, which you can use by placing it here across the different tray option that you have here, and place your food on this part of the region. Maybe it's preferred that before you actually place, it's good to grease the base of this with some butter or any oil, so that it doesn't get sticky there. So that's one tray here. You have another tray of this type where to use, which you can place. Maybe you can place two trays at a time. And there's this main tray as well. This is usually for baking purposes you can use. Also, it serves as a a tray that can probably hold all the waters or any liquid items that probably may be spilling out from the food, right? That's why this I already showed you. This is not of any use as of now. Now this comes to a help. So when the food is hot, you probably may not be able to touch directly with your bare hand. Let's say you use this and remove this way. Place your food tray there and remove your food. Then continue. Okay, for this it doesn't work. That's all. That's about it. So please let us know if you have any queries more on this or want to understand more on how exactly a specific feature works, or would want to try out any specific food, so that we can do that for you and show how it works. Thank you.